Hi, this is Taylor from Summit RV. Today I have in front of me a brand new Cougar floor plan. This is a 2019 Cougar 362 RKS.
Summit RV, camping made easy. Summit RV, vacation fun.
The Cougar 362 RKS is a large triple slide rear kitchen fifth wheel. Let's take a look at that kitchen first, and then we can go around to the rest of the trailer. The kitchen has a 4-door fridge. This is a gas and electric fridge on it. Nice amount of counter space in your kitchen area. That is a nice solid countertop there. And then plenty of cabinets below. As you rotate around to the living area, you see you have a TV, which is conveniently located at a really good viewing angle for even the dinette. The theater seating that you have close to the entrance. And then a trifold sofa. And then all your seating has really nice angles to the television if that's something that's important to you. Down below that is the electric space heating fireplace, so that does provide some warmth without using any propane. And look at those accent lights on your slide outs on your Cougar. Really nice touch. And then as soon as you enter, you have a full wall from the top to the bottom of more cabinets. Here's a shot of that full wall of cabinetry. It does have a coat closet up here with some hooks in it. One of my favorite things about this layout is these steps up here, not your traditional fifth wheel steps. It has a nice handrail as you walk up, and just a little bit different step setup than you see in most of your fifth wheels. So this leads into your bedroom here. Then that's the bathroom off to my right. Here's your bed on a slide. And then you have a little nightstand on that side. Over in your closet area, you have a sliding mirror. But back here you also have another nightstand with USB plugins and electric plugins as well. So let me slide that open real quick. So this is right beside your bed. You have another cabinet here with some plugins above it if you do need to plug in a CPAP machine or some cell phones, iPad, things like that. It does have a spot on both sides of your bed. You have a few windows by your bed as well. A window in front. Doesn't seem so closed in your bedroom. And then some more cabinets below your TV in the master bedroom. Then you can access your bathroom from the bedroom or from the hallway. Either way, in the bedroom you have a pocket sliding door right there, which you can keep latched while you're in travel. Nice large shower in your Cougar. This has a seat in the shower area if you need to sit down while you're in the shower. You have some deep storage back here. Put some towels, things for the bathroom. Down below you have your porcelain foot flush toilet. And this has a medicine cabinet with mirror in it, some lights up above that. Nice amount of counter space on your bathroom sink area. Then some more storage under that. And of course, you do have an outlet in your bathroom light switch as well. All new Cougars have the In Command system on it. So this is a system where you can control all of your lights, slides, awning, even your heating and cooling. You can do pretty much everything from this screen here. You can also connect this to your phone. Up above, you'll see your Cougar does have heated holding tanks for your fresh gray and black. That's something that has been added for the 2019 model year. The front cap of your Cougar has some LED lights. You're going to have 30-pound tanks on each side of your Cougar fifth wheel, adding up to 60. In here you have your pass-through storage. You also have a light on this side. It is motion sensor. You can either have it set on motion sensor or just keep it on all the time or keep it off. In here you have hookups for television. If you want to watch TV outside, you can plug in a television for the outside. That's the guts of your In Command system that I've talked about. That will control your slides, awnings, things of that nature. Cougars are going to offer a big grab handle for your entryway. Some more ride steps that are very stable as you walk into the trailer. Awning with LED lights, great to light up the campsite. And then you have your outdoor speakers as well. Underneath the trailer here, you can see it has auto leveling on this Cougar. This is a 4-point auto leveling system. On the rear, you have a hitch already on your Cougar. This is an accessory hitch. You can definitely put some bikes, maybe a bike rack, a cooler, something like that on the back of your Cougar fifth wheel. All your Cougar fifth wheels are going to have a ladder on the back. This is a fully walkable roof and fully walkable slides on your Cougar fifth wheel. Up top there, you're going to see the Furrion prep for an observation or backup camera. Something that's really easy to install so you can see behind you while you're towing and backing in your fifth wheel. Also, you're going to see some LED tail lights. Cougars do have an all-in-one docking station, so you have a little outside shower there, city water connection, black tank flush, even a place to easily switch over your hot water heater valve there for your winterization. Down below you have your black tank and gray tank valves, a battery disconnect, some TV hookups, Key TV. That's something new they're offering on the new Cougars. A whole lot less wiring, much simpler setup there. And then right there, that's a solar prep. You can plug right into that with some solar panels. Thanks for watching. This is Taylor at Summit RV. If you have any questions, please drop us a comment or give us a call at Summit RV. Our number is 606-928-6795. Or you can check all of our campers out at summitrv.com. We have about 350 in stock right now.